Imagine being trapped in a maze, lost and confused. That's how the labyrinth of relationship issues feels, whether it's with your spouse, friend, or colleague. Picture yourself as a ship in a storm, tossed by the waves of misunderstanding, mistrust, and miscommunication. What if there was a guiding light, a beacon to help navigate the stormy seas? Acting as a spiritualist with healing power, I can offer a guiding hand through this turbulent journey. Step 1. We start by acknowledging the issue. Step 2. We delve into understanding the root cause. Step 3. We work together to create a tailored solution. And finally, Step 4. We implement the solution and nurture the healing process. For a deeper dive into resolving your relationship issues, book an appointment today. You'll gain clarity, peace, and a stronger bond, because everyone deserves harmonious relationships. Don't stay lost in the maze. Let's illuminate your path.